How to send Bitcoin on Cash App. So basically, if you would like to send Bitcoin on Cash App, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch Cash App and make sure that you are logged into your account. Come to the home icon from the bottom left of the screen, and once you're here, you want to simply scroll and go to the Bitcoin option. So once you either go to the Bitcoin option or go to the search icon from the bottom right and select a person to whom you want to send Bitcoin, but you can see it says send a gift. It says give the gift of Bitcoin. So once you go to the search icon and tap on that Bitcoin icon, you can enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send it to whom you want to send, and then you'll be able to confirm the transaction and send the Bitcoin to another Cash App user. And I hope that this video helped you as to how you can send Bitcoin on Cash App. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.